Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Oaks. In this video, we are going to tell you how you can get this $500 worth of fast cash loan with no credit check at all, and you can get it very easily. This video has step-by-step guide, means how you can get it, how you can fill out the application, and what is the eligibility criteria. So make sure that you don't miss any part from this very important video, and remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon to watch that video whenever we upload it. And this video also has $1,000 giveaway details. So without any further ado, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here's the opportunity that you all have been waiting for, and this time is from Andrew Federal Credit Union. And this is indeed one of the credit union that you can trust on because it provides personal loans, credit cards, lines of credit, and much more. They say that cash in are desired to make your life a little easier. Well, according to them, they have choose from variety of low rate personal loans. You can get a lump sum cash or access to the line of credit, cover unexpected costs of buy something you really want, link line of credit to your checking account, as well as save money with lower interest payments. But what is the reason that why we are here in this video, where we are going to tell you about the loan that you can get up to $500 with no credit check at all, and we love these sort of opportunities. So yes, they call it cash to go loan. You can get it very easily. And what are the benefits? Then we will go towards the additional details, and then we will tell you how you can apply for it. Remember that the benefits are that you can borrow from $250 to $500. There are flexible payment options of monthly, bi-weekly, or the 1st and 15th of the month. And the best part that we love is there is no credit check at all. Means if you have bad or no credit, you can still get this cash really easily. Remember, here are the additional details. You must be an Andrew Federal Credit Union member for at least 90 days. Maximum of 4 cash to go loans per membership account in a calendar year, means you can get it 4 times. Maximum of 3 cash to go loans per rolling 6 months, means you can get 3 loans in 6 months. Must have a direct deposit allotment for 2 months for the same employer. Loan amount cannot exceed 75% of the member's monthly direct deposit allotment. First payment is due on the next direct deposit allotment date. First of full payment must be received within 30 days, and maximum repayment term is 6 months, means you can pay this down in 6 months. So even if you think about it, it's going to be a very flexible option for you. So how you can do that? Well, all you need to do, you need to open a bank account with the Andrew Federal Credit Union or be a member with them. Then you can log in to apply faster. We are going to paste a link below in the video's description, which will take you to the website. So all you need to do, that you need to right there create an account. When you get your username and password, you can go there and then you can apply for this loan. Remember that one very important thing that you need to commit to it, that you need to have an account for at least 90 days with them, means you have to be a member of Andrew Federal Credit Union for 90 days. And remember that if you would like to get credit cards with no credit check at all, then we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon to watch that video whenever we upload it. And please smash that like button, as it really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. But let us give you the opportunity first to get $1,000 as a giveaway, and here is the opportunity. Well, in order to take part in this $1,000 giveaway, you need to follow some very easy steps, and these steps are as follows. The first step is to subscribe to Credit Oaks channel. The second step is to click on the bell icon. The bell icon is situated right next to the subscribe button on this channel. When you click on it, you will get the notifications of our videos every single day, including the notification of the video where we will reveal the name of these winners. Well, the third step is to like this video, and the fourth and the last step is to comment below in the comment section of this video and write "I watch Credit Oaks every day." Let's repeat these steps in a quick manner. Subscribe to Credit Oaks channel, click on the bell icon, like this video, and comment below in the comment section of this video and write "I watch Credit Oaks every day." Remember, the 2 winners will be randomly selected and the date of giveaway will be announced very soon. So thank you so much for all of your love and support. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.